In the midst of a secluded valley, an ultra-modern food processing facility rises like a monolith of stainless steel and glass. Inside, every corridor is controlled, every surface sterilized. Workers enter in full biosecurity.
Description: laser scan engaged, surface temperature within threshold, core reading stable, moisture 98%, weight 137 grams, quality metrics verified, product marked as pass, batch 47 complete.
Fancy, just attention and a sharp blade. Fresh filet, sliced thin so it almost melts when it hits the heat.